Hello everybody. I have a product review here, and I am actually reviewing this product by accident. I'm going to tell you why. About 2 weeks ago I went to Dollar Tree, and of course I searched cleaning products aisle and the laundry detergent aisle. So I was looking for the scented beads, and I saw maybe one of the blue one, the one that they usually have. Haven't those bottles gotten real small here lately? Very small. So I looked down, I was looking for more. I was going to buy multiples of the blue one if I could find it. I looked all the way down to the bottom shelf, and let me tell you what I found. I found this. This is the In-Wash Aroma Booster and Odor Eliminator. This is the bead gel. Okay. And see how many ounces. This is 17.5 ounces. A nice size bottle. A nice size bottle. Very big and nice. It smells so good. It smells so good. I don't know. And that's what it looks like. And you can see I used a lot of it, but it was filled up pretty good. And I don't know why they had this on the bottom shelf. I think maybe it's the label, because it's like a more generic looking label. But hey, this is Dollar Tree products, so actually the label doesn't make too much of so much of a big deal. But I think I probably have seen this before and didn't know what it was. I just glanced over it. But y'all, I'm going to be stocking up on a lot of these because it's only $1. You can get 1, 2, or 3, and you will be good. I have purchased the other ones, the Downy, and some other ones. I might review those, so I'm not going to say too much about it. But hey, those are like on sale. I think those are like $4.99. But most of the time, you're finding those for like $6. I have seen scent beads for $8 and $11. And although they smell good, that's too much money. So you can take yourself right on over to Dollar Tree with that same $8. Get 8 of these. You'll be good. You'll be good for a while. The only thing about stuff like this, you might see it now, and then next time you go, you may not see it. So I urge you to go and get yourself a nice amount of these. I wish I had gotten more. I'm going to go back to that Dollar Tree. It's in a different area, and I'm going to go over there and see, can I find any more of these, because this is a fantastic deal. And when they say In-Wash Aroma Booster and Odor Eliminator, I tell you, that's completely true. Completely true. So this is the end of my review, y'all, but get it. It's actually a better deal than those little small in the blue. Those are good now, but this is a better deal. Okay, so that's it for my review. I will be back soon.